Are you in need of top-notch cleaning services in Ascot and surrounding areas? Look no further. Experience an immaculate home or office with ROBOCleaning, Ascot's premier cleaning service. At ROBOCleaning, we pride ourselves on delivering the ultimate cleaning experience. We provide tenants with end-of-tenancy cleans to help save your rental deposit, support landlords, letting agents and relocation teams with move-related cleaning needs, including emergency cleans, ensuring you can re-let your property quickly. And we deliver reliable commercial office cleaning for local businesses, so you can arrive to an immaculate office every day of the week, impressing your customers and employees. And we also offer professional builders cleans too. Why should you choose us? Well, ROBOCleaning Services has the top reputation in Ascot and are renowned for our professional cleaning experience, immaculate properties, reliability, and our amazing clean guarantee. If you're not happy, we won't ask you to pay a penny. Our cleaning service is based on integrity, and we're certain you'll be so thrilled you'll want to use our services over and over again. Contact us today for a cleaner, healthier, and more impressive environment. To discuss your cleaning requirements, call us today on 01344 238 000.